Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this stars ranking button. I hope you can read that here. I think it's somewhere here on the box. The web page is starsrankingbutton.com, and the idea is to get something instead of getting the reward from YouTube, because Google and YouTube, they are only providing official star certificates from around 100,000 subscribers. I think that's a low thing, so that would mean for my channel with around 20,000 subscribers, if I keep going like that, and I really appreciate every single subscription from everybody, so if I keep going like that in the future, I would get to around 100,000 subscribers in around 1,000 years or so. Now, of course, if you do the math, it would be in around 30 years. Probably I will definitely be too old for that at this time. So for everybody else like me, there's an option for now with this thing. So I'm going to take it out of the box and show you everything, and then we are trying to figure out what we can do with that. The box comes nicely protected. So I guess the content inside is in good condition. We get something here, some instructions. Yeah, one thing which we can see here is that the minimum is 10,000 subscribers. And we have to make a video presenting the button. Yeah, that should be possible. The button should also be displayed in the video thumbnail. Yeah, I think I could do that. And we have to send the number indicated in the red star to info@starsrankingbutton.com. That's the number here. So there's not much instruction. Should be an easy job. I guess that's just protection here. So that's the device from the top, and that's from underneath. We have this battery, we have this button here. If there's a protection here in the battery, you have to remove it to make it working. You can see it's really nice, beautiful, and especially when we turn off the light, it's even more beautiful. We have this star here with this unique number. Everybody will get a different number, and also that's represented here in the QR code. You can scan this, then go to the website, register your button or the whole thing here. So you have a really unique device with your own number, own QR code. Nobody has the same. And so after you get it, you can register it on the website for only $1, and then you can see your ranking. You can keep it, enjoy it, or you can even sell it. The recommended price is $10 for every 1,000 subscribers. So if you have 10,000 subscribers, the recommended price would be $100, but I mean, it's open free market. You can ask everything which you want, or everybody can make an offer for any channel. And the whole button can be bought on Amazon for $59. And when you register it after that for $1, you will end up with a total price of $60 for the whole thing. So really nice, beautiful. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.